Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna review very popular fragrance from the House of Armaf. The fragrance is very popular across the globe and it sold more than its original inspired version, that is Creed Aventus. So when it comes to luxury perfume brand, Creed Aventus never misses to be in that list. And after the launch of Creed Aventus, many perfume brands try to copy this perfume because of the popularity and unique smell. So Armaf's Club de Nuit, we can say, is known to be a very close smelling fragrance to Creed Aventus, and people buy this perfume because of the unique fragrance, because of the affordable price range, and to get the resemblance of Aventus. So in today's video we will discuss if this perfume it's worth the hype and how close this is to Creed Aventus. So let's talk about the presentation, guys. This perfume bottle comes in this black color box with this heavy black bottle. This is how our Club de Nuit bottle looks like from the front, and this is from the back side. This bottle seems to be very heavy. Let's talk about this beautiful cap. So this cap is adorned with some crystals. Overall, the bottle presentation looks very elegant, but it looks very big and heavy. So this is a 105 ml bottle and I would rate it 7 out of 10 for the presentation. Now coming to its scent profile, let's spray this first and check the notes. So this smells amazing, guys. Let's talk about the notes. In the top notes, you get lemon, pineapple, bergamot, blackcurrant, and apple. And in the middle note, you can smell jasmine, rose, and butch. And in the dry down, in the base, you can smell musk and vanilla, and very light ambergris and patchouli. So overall, lemon and bergamot dominates in the fragrance, and in the dry down, patchouli and musk. So guys, just for your information, this one is an EDT, but I have also tried the Parfum version. The only difference between them is that EDP smells very, refined and smooth in the starting notes. But this EDT starting notes smells, it smells synthetic and harsh, which I would say this is one of the negative aspect of this version, but they have improved this in EDP version. So I feel EDT, it settles down with this amazing and enriching scents, and it after settling down it starts smelling very close to Creed Aventus. So if you want something that smells very close to Creed Aventus, then you guys can go for EDT version with the exception of starting notes. And for the scent profile, I would rate it 7.5 out of 10, and this smells 80 to 90% similar to Creed Aventus. So coming to its longevity and projection, well, its longevity is great, and it gives you around 8 to 10 hours, and it projects to 2 to 3 feet for 2 to 3 hours, and it stays on clothes for about 24 hours. So it smells amazing. So I would rate it solid 8 out of 10 for the projection. Now the question is, who all can wear this? Well, this is a fragrance especially for men, as it has a masculine scent profile. All age group would love this, but this is suitable for the age group of 30 and above, and this is definitely a compliment getter perfume. Now the notes of fruits and floral make this perfect for spring and summer, and this can be worn with your casual and formal outfits. Now coming to its price range, well, this one is 105 ml bottle, and this one will cost you around 4000 to 4500 rupees, whereas EDP bottle will cost you around 5000 rupees for 150 ml. So you can check out this fragrance if you want to smell very close to Creed Aventus. And that's all I had for today's review video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next review video. Bye bye.